Today on Beginners Barbecue Outdoors, we're going to be doing some chicken breast with a garlic jalapeno rub and some barbecue sauce. Let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. Alright, so here you have it. We got 3 nice sized chicken breasts, and here we got our heat roused garlic jalapeno rub. Now when they're close to being done, we're going to go ahead and add our barbecue sauce in it. So right now we're going to go ahead and add our garlic jalapeno rub. The chickens are already moist, so I don't need a binder. I've never really used a binder on the chicken, and they came out perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and nice heavy coat of our garlic jalapeno rub. And I already tried this garlic jalapeno rub, and it has really good flavor, and this is something I do recommend. If you haven't tried it, this is something that I would say go ahead and try. And we're gonna get all sides of this chicken. Alright, now the question is, how are we gonna cook this? We're gonna put this on our pit boss for about 300 degrees. Our internal temp that we are looking for is 165 internal temp for this chicken breast. Now that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. Our pit boss is at 300. Let's go ahead and add these chicken breasts in here. We're going to add a thermometer in here that comes with the pit boss. And we'll be back when it hits 165. Alright, our chicken just hit 160 internal. We're about to add the barbecue sauce. I'm going to go ahead and turn them around so I can add the sauce and turn them back around the other side. Flip them back. Alright, we'll be back when it hits 165. Alright, our chicken's at 165 internal. Let's bring it out. We'll be back. All right, so here you have it. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so here we have it. One of the biggest things that I'm going to say is when you're trying things out, go by internal temp and not really the time. The time that I give you guys here is kind of rough, how long it'll probably take, so you guys can plan your day with that. But mainly it's the internal temp that you're going by. That's what you need to that's what you guys need to keep an eye on, is your internal temp, not really the time. And if you do that, it's always going to come out perfect. Now that being said, let's go ahead and see how we did today with this nice chicken. Oh yeah. And I'm taking that front part with the barbecue sauce. So we have this garlic jalapeno, and I'm pretty excited to see how it will go with this and barbecue sauce and everything. Here we go. That's some great flavor. that sweetness. And it's not like you taste the jalapeno like, oh my god, it's spicy. No, 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 it has a great flavor to it. It's a nice balance from the jalapeno and the garlic. And then when you add the barbecue sauce to it, it's perfect. This came out amazing. Hope you guys liked this video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe for more great content coming. If you guys like anything you guys see here, there's always a link in the description so you guys can check them out. Especially the pit boss that I use or other pit bosses on their site. There'll be a link for you guys to check them out. Grills from the pellets that I use. So see you guys next time.